Unsure of how to create a buttonhole with your sewing machine? Load your button into the back of your buttonhole foot. Pull this little lever straight down. Select your buttonhole stitch and position your fabric. It's automatic from here. I have a Brother XR9550 which has a couple different options. I just chose one of the basic stitch options. Now you need this foot, attach it to the machine and lower your feed dogs. Position the foot on top of the button in the correct position on your fabric. Choose a zigzag stitch and use the hand crank while adjusting the stitch width until your needle isn't hitting the button. Now you can use your pedal. I like to do a couple back stitches at the end to secure the button. Grab your handy seam ripper and use it to open up your new buttonhole.